quick update for you guys who aren't, you know, following my Instagram and shit. Crichton has unfortunately been written off. Obviously I am not at all happy with that. It was a combination of the subframe, wheel, and I recognise this place now. It's a combination of the subframe, the wheel, and the swing arm. Yeah. What does this mean for me? Well, once the stupid bitch's insurance comes back to me and says, hey, we'll be paying, obviously I'm only going to be accepting on or above the value of the bike. Because I'm not a dumbass, surprisingly. What a fucking aerodrome. What? Yeah. I have no idea what I'm planning on doing in regards to getting a new bike. Yeah, I'm thinking of getting either a Varadero or an R125. Just whatever I can get. But yeah, planning on getting a Varadero or an R125. I just need something for 5-6 months until I can get the project, until I can do my A2 and get the project bike on the road. I better not be fucking rain, I feel. I'm hoping to get it cheaply and then sell it for the same price that we got it for. But yeah, this is a temporary bike. You're not going to be seeing it for much longer, really, because it's a piece of shit. Honestly, worse than the 50, probably. People say they like it. I really fucking hate it, man. But then I am used to the high class 125s, aka the fucking MT. May Crichton rest in peace. Well, pieces now, but you know what I mean. Quick review of this bike. Don't buy it. This has been jwkzzr reviews, and I'm off. No. Yeah, this bike is horrible. I wouldn't even recommend this for a first bike. 10 horsepower is nowhere near enough. Not even for like in town or whatever. I don't know what I'm going to be doing in regards to videos. I'll probably just do another gaming video and leave it at that for now, until I get the money paid out and we can get the new bike. I'm just hoping that it's going to be sooner rather than later. Hope you guys are doing well, not missing me too much. I'll see you guys. Love you all. Ride safe, have fun, don't be gay, and yeah, see ya.